Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Miss me? I'm so happy to be doing a video for you guys. I am so sorry. It's been a week or maybe 2 weeks I haven't posted on YouTube. And girl, I always talk about school and stuff here on my channel because that's the only thing that's going on in my life right now. I was like, okay, let me just take 2 classes and maybe I could handle that. Girl, I couldn't even handle it. Like, it's so much work, and I'm taking this math class and it's driving me crazy. So listen, I just needed some time to myself and try to get everything together. So as you guys see by the title, we are going to be reviewing these Amazon brushes. Okay, so these are the brushes here. I believe this is Duaiu. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So this is Duaiu makeup brush set, and this is it here. This brush is around $10 on the Amazon website, and I'll put all the information down below. 10 brushes here to play with. So we're just gonna do the face and, you know, see how these brushes work. The handle, it reminds me of one of BH Cosmetic brushes. Remind me of that. I love that. Okay, so these are the brushes here. So we have around 10 brushes here. I really do like them. They're really soft. My favorite brush are these type of brushes. Very fluffy, very soft, and they don't really have a smell to it. And actually I didn't wash it, just straight off from the package. Really soft brush. But for now, it's like really strong. I probably use this to put on my powder under my eyes. And this one here, I think you could use this for contour because it's a little flat on the side. Yeah, it's a little flat. You could use that for that. These are the other 2 face brush. So we have 4 face brushes. So you could use this one here for foundation. Okay, and you could also use this one for foundation as well, but I will use this for more powder. Okay, so this one, you guys know, this is, ooh, it's a little dusty, girl. You can see that? Yeah, you need to wash it before you put on your face. Hopefully my face don't break out. But so this flat brush here, I like to use this applying like concealer under the eyes. I really like this for the concealer, or I'll use it for foundation as well. And I tend to use this more for foundation wise. Actually, we got 5 face brush here. Sorry, so I said 4, but it's 5. And then we have another 5. These here for the eyes. And yeah, so we're gonna see these other 5 brushes here. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, so this is the holder here to hold your brushes. I really do like it. I like the fact that it came with a holder. You know, it looks really cute, and the material is very strong. Now, girl, like, I'm so tired of this breakouts. Every month or so I get like breakouts, and my skin is just like, she's going through it. Okay, so for the primer, we're gonna be using the Pretty Fresh primer. This is from ColourPop. I haven't put makeup on my face in a long time, so let's just put this on really fast and let it just dry down. So the foundation that we're going to be using today is from MAC. I did a review on this before. So this is the MAC Studio Radiance Face and Body Foundation. And this is the shade number 9N. Okay, so I'm going to use this flat brush here for the foundation. And I actually love to use this type of brush. It just makes things a little better, you know. Oh, honestly, like, using my hand for this step, I'm not gonna get a lot of coverage. So what I'll do is, because I really want to see the coverage if I use my hand, but I know how it looks with the brush. So I think this side I'm gonna use my hand just to see a little bit of coverage. But honestly, like, this brush is not harsh on the skin. It's blending out the product really nice. And I honestly, when it comes to this type of foundations, I like to use my hands, but girl, I won't get a lot of coverage with this. So this foundation is very light, as you guys can see. I did a review on this before. It's more like a summer, you know, light, you know, beach day type of foundation. Now, if you have like little scars like myself, it's not really gonna cover a lot. So with this brush, it's very soft. I love the way it blend out with the product. It's not like, you know, harsh on the skin. You know, like some brushes is like really hard on the skin. No, this is really soft, and you know, it works pretty good. So I'm gonna use my hand on this side because I want to see the coverage on this. And I actually didn't want to use my hand, but I'm just gonna go on this side because I also want to test out the foundation as well. So I just gonna use my hand. You see, you do get more coverage. I think, yeah, you get more coverage. If you have like dry skin, this is a perfect foundation for you. And I'm just gonna take the brush and just go over. So if you have really nice skin, you're gonna get a lot of coverage. And I'm not really going for like full coverage or anything. I'm just going for something light, and on this side, when I use my fingers, it don't look that bad. They actually don't, right? So this brush is really good, very soft on the skin, and it blends out the product really good. For the concealer, I'm going to be going with Rare Beauty concealer. So I'm going to go in with the same brush, and I'm just going to blend that concealer. The reason why I like these type of brushes for this step, because it gets all the way under the eyes. So these brushes are really cheap, and I will put all the information down below. I like the fact that they have 10 brushes that you could use for the entire face. So I'm gonna take my sponge and just blend that a little bit. So this brush here, I usually use these type of brushes. These are my favorite to set under the eyes, like really soft brush. But I do recommend that you guys wash the brushes first, and let's just see how it feels under the eyes. Amazon was one of the places that I actually bought most of my brushes. I do have a lot from BH Cosmetics, but if you can't afford BH Cosmetics, Amazon has cheaper brush as well. And they have really nice brushes because you see how this just blend into the skin really good, and it's very soft as well. So I am in love with this one. And you could also use this brush for blush as well. I use it for blush and to put the powder under my eyes, but I like it more for the powder. So yeah, so this brush is really nice on the skin. It blends out the product really good. I didn't get any streaks on the face. So far, I'm liking these two brushes. So this brush has a little like dent right in the middle there. So I'm gonna use this one to contour a little bit. And I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place bronzer. I'm gonna take the top one right here. And actually, it's picking up really good. Just pick up on too much. And look at this, how it's blending out really soft. Like honestly, like you don't have to spend too much money on brushes. And I've been telling you guys for a minute, like they have cheap brushes out there that you could use. And I'm actually liking this one. I don't want to put too much of the bronzer. I think I already did that. But look how it's blending it out. And it's a little bit hot in my room, so it's like I'm sweating a little bit. This is like perfect. I don't even know when the last time I put makeup on my skin because I've been breaking out and like trying to stay away from like products on my face. Because as you guys can see, like it really don't have any like coverage or anything. But I'm sure when I put my powder, it's gonna work. But this brush is it, okay? It is, I love it. It's not even poking my skin. It's just like the bristle on this is really soft. I like how everything is blended out. I still have to go in and blend out this bronzer. So far, I actually love how this brush is working. Like, they work like regular brushes. Like, you guys gonna be like, why is she still using this? I don't know. Like, I really like this powder, and I'm actually gonna buy another one when this run out. And you guys know this is my holy grail powder, and I know one of you guys will like, oh my gosh, she's still... I just like it. This is from Fenty, and I just love this powder. Like, it just make everything looks flawless. Okay, this is a matte foundation powder, and it works really good. And we're gonna go in with this powder brush. So this is a good time to use this to see how it works with this powder. With this one, I'm getting a few kickbacks. Okay, so we're gonna start in the bottom here. And you guys know I like to start in the bottom and then I work my way up. I just want to see, how it's gonna look with the coverage. And the one thing I like about this powder, even though, like, if I use a foundation that don't give me a lot of coverage, I get the coverage with this. And this is why I like using it. Like, if you don't have this powder in your collection, just get it. You see how everything is covered. It looks really, really good. It's like, and with the powder, everything looks like I have a full coverage foundation on my face, and I don't. And that's what I said. Like, even though you have, like, using a light foundation from MAC or whoever, if you have this powder and you just want something to cover all these little spots there, and this is what you need, girl. So we're gonna go in with this blush here. This is from Juvia's Place, and I'm also gonna go in with the same brush that I use for under the eyes. I'm gonna use this side here. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with this orange shade there. This is this color here, like, really, really pretty. Like, oh. I'm gonna put some on the nose to get my nose a little color. Like, you actually don't need a lot of this. It picks up a lot. I'm gonna go over with my powder brush that I have, and I'm gonna go around with it to take up some of that blush. We only use 4 of the face brushes, and I really do like these. I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts at the end. So the only one I didn't use was these. I'm not a big fan of these. It really don't blend my foundation the way I like. I really don't use this. I don't even think you guys see me using these type of brushes on me. I don't like them. So we're gonna go for the eyes. We have 5 brushes to play with. So we have 2 brushes to blend. So we have 2 of the flat brush. If you want to, like, pat in any, like, glitters or anything, these are for that. I also use this type of brush for my eyebrows. These are the type of brushes that I use. And this other one here, you could use this one for your brows as well. I'm gonna go in with this blush here, okay? And you see, like, it really picks up good. No kickbacks, okay? So let's just place this on the lid, and you guys could see. So I'm just gonna put that all over. It's actually blending out the product really good. I don't even think I need to use another brush. This is perfect. And it's not even poking my skin. It feels really good. So I'm gonna go in the other side. I'm just gonna, like, place it, and then after I'll take the clean one and blend out everything. So I think it's best to, like, pat it in first, and then after you blend it out. I should know that, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take a clean brush, and then I'm just going to blend everything together. I actually wanted to see how this brush works as well. don't have any problems with these brushes. They blend out really good for the price. Yeah, I see myself like buying brushes from this company. It works pretty good. And the brushes are dense as well. It's not like really soft. You get a little grip, you know, when you blend it out. This feels like a BH Cosmetic brush. I'm not even kidding you. Like, okay, girl. This is a bomb, okay? This is the original Adele Wispy Lashes, okay? And this is like $11, $12 on the Ulta website. These are my favorite, very natural. So these are the two brushes I use under the eyes. These brushes are really, really soft on the skin. The two brushes I didn't use are these two here. Like I told you guys in the beginning, this is not my favorite. Okay, it's that this one is a little bit softer. It's like, it's not that dense, but I probably just use this for like powder foundation, not liquid. So this is the only brush that have a little bit kickback, okay? But it blends really good, works really good. It blends into the skin really good. So it will be listed down below for you guys if you want to pick up this brush set. If you want to just pick up one or two of the brushes, $4.99 a piece for the brush. You guys know I'm not into lashes as before, but I think the lashes bring out the look really good. I don't even think my lashes is like sticking down. Girl, you know I always have issues with my lashes. That's one of the reasons why I don't mess with them, because they, girl, it never sticks down. Okay, so what I told you guys, it reminds me of the BH Cosmetics brush. You see the same handle. This is BH Cosmetics and this is the $6.99 brush. These brushes are maybe like $42 for the set. The BH Cosmetic brushes is a little bit more longer than the Amazon brush. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this brushes. If you ever tried out any of Amazon brushes, please let me know. And if you are an OG on my page, you know I have brushes from Amazon and I rave about them as well. So these are really good. Yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So if you're new on the channel, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell, so when I upload videos, you guys will be notified. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well and share this video with your friends and family so we could meet our goal for the year. And thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.